with? My friend. That's your friend? He wants to fuck you, bitch.
I think I found another one, but I'm not sure. I think we found another Friendzone instant karma video. We don't know if coffee will be served, but it looks like it might be.
Are you wasting his time? You're not wasting his time. So he has a chance. Who's single here? Come kiss him.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come here. Come here. Stand up. Stand up, fool. You're about to lose your man. Stand up. Give her a kiss real quick.
Drink the coffee. I know she didn't like that shit.
Stupid ass. Another one. What the f? Another one. Give her another one, Papa.
Yes. And let's just be honest here. Who looks better? Be honest. If you think the friend actually looks better, the chick, the friend's on him, be honest. But I actually think the woman that just walked up, she looks better.
Hey, go sit with her. Go sit with her. Go sit with her. Go. Follow her. Follow her. Who you with? My friend.
Hilarious. Do we have another one or not? You guys know what I'm talking about. We've done a few of these. I've got one more. I don't know if this would necessarily fit to the collection or not, but you know, this isn't the same guy, by the way. This isn't the same comedian that did the last one. I think there's a couple of them that do this. Check this one out.
Where's your man at? Hey, give me a kiss before he comes back.
He asked her, "Where's your man at?" And she said, "He's in the bathroom." And of course, he said, "Give me a kiss."
Kiss on the cheek before it comes back. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up before it comes back. Hurry up.
No.
Trust no bitch. Trust no bitch. Man in the restroom trying to take a piss. She's trying to kiss me on the cheek.
Wow.
And he's gonna come back like, hey, what happened?
Man, the painful part about all this is real life, right? No, you know exactly what you need to know about a certain dynamic within a relationship. Like this video, when he asked her, "Are you guys together?" She said, "My friend." Like she wanted it to be known. Probably thought maybe he was trying to shoot a shot. Like, "Oh, look, the guy on the stage is talking to me." No, he's just my friend. Meanwhile, he's over there hoping and praying. By the way, you should never do this. That leaning into the friend zone will somehow get him a date. Then eventually maybe he wants to live happily ever after and get the cheeks. Right? But she says here.
That's your friend? He wants to fuck you.
And then he keeps it real. Says, yo, he wants more. Trust me. No guy just wants to hang out with you. For fun, there's always something more. And sometimes it comes from the woman's side, right? Let's read a few of these comments. Top comment here says, 100% he got a text. I was going to give you a chance until you disrespected me. LMAO. I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised. Big facts, right? But you know, I'm going to say this. Because the chick looked better than her, chances are she might give him a chance still. Don't ask me why women operate this way sometimes, but they do. They care. They do care, right? Here's another comment that says, I guarantee she didn't talk to him after that. I don't know. Here's somebody else that says, girl that kissed him looked better than the friend. Yo, looks like I wasn't the only one that thought that. Let's see if there are any comments on this other one. Shit, let me play this old one. This one, I think overall is the best one so far, right? Short King gets revenge after being friend zoned.
Nah, congratulations. So how'd y'all meet? Online? She's your friend? Damn, Jacob.
Friend zone.
You smooth it. VIP front row. You're like, yo, dog, Martin, help me, please.
So this guy hooks people up. Like he'll help people get with their dates. He's probably going to help him out with her real quick.
About me, Jacob. You own a real estate property together. What kind of weird friendship? This new generation is different, bro. My 20s, I was fingering investing in properties. Do you think Jacob's cute or not? Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah? Okay. And are you single too? Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Now, Jacob, can I ask you a question, big dog? Have you ever shot your shot at? Not yet? Dog, should we bring Jacob on stage?
Bring him up. This one was wild.
Dog, you own a business. Y'all own property together. Come on, bro. Yo, keep it going for Jacob one time, bro. Come on. Oh, shit. Homie, fuck. God damn it. Homie was waiting for this. Started climbing, bro. You bought these tickets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought both of them, right?
Yeah.
Damn. I forgot I did that. Nothing weird here, just reacting to a video of myself, right? Nothing weird at all. All right, let me calm down. He bought the tickets, paid VIP. Right. Let's see what happens. Let's see.
Sarah, he bought these tickets, VIP. Sarah, look at me. He bought these tickets for this moment. He
doesn't
wanted
care.
this moment, all right? So we're going to make this awkward as right now, all right? Tell her what you like about her, big dog.
No, everything, man. She's perfect all the way around. Every single aspect. Every single aspect.
I feel bad.
Personality, everything.
Bro, you're perfect, Sarah. You're perfect for Jacob. He's willing to do anything. You wouldn't want to give it a shot one day? It doesn't have to be in this moment. Would you give him a shot?
He's backing off. He's like, it doesn't have to be right now.
Maybe, but 6 feet, 6 feet tall.
That's the one. That's the one that I was trying to figure out. Like, why did I title it Short King Gets Revenge? That's why I did that. Oh my goodness. Guy owns properties in his 20s. And here are these chicks again being obsessed over 6 feet. In the end, they'll be crying. It always ends in tears.
6 feet. This man. 6 feet, Jacob. Jacob, you're a short king. No, you're not going back down. We're going to find you a girl, bro. That.
All right.
We're going to find Jacob a girl. That.
All right.
Do we have any single girls interested in my homie Jacob right now? Make some noise. Yo, keep it going for these beautiful ladies coming to the stage, man.
Let's go.
Wow.
We're like watching a Coffee Pod rerun.
Look what you did, Jacob. Look what that VIP did, bro. Look at that. What's her name?
Melody.
Melody. And where you from and what do you do?
I am from Guatemala and I work with data analytics. I'm a cosmetologist. I'm a second lieutenant in the Army.
Yo.
Second lieutenant in the Army. Oh, dog, she's gonna you, dog. A 10 hut, big dog. Hell yeah, bro. And what about you, sweetheart? What do you do for a living?
Supervisor for an urgent care.
Ooh.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't stay away from those nurses. No, I'm just kidding.
Look at that, Jacob. Look what I got you. I got you some really amazing options here in San Antonio. You are willing to give up. Do you have any questions for them?
First thing to look for in a man.
Loyalty, for sure. And communication. First and foremost, a relationship with God. But secondly, like a man that's secure because of my job and my career. They have to be secure in themselves.
I love a family man. A man that loves his family.
Are you feeling anyone right now? Or what do you?
Yeah, data analyst.
The data analyst.
Data-
Oh.
Data analyst.
Oh.
Yo, she must be hot. The chick over there who turned him down.
What do you guys think, huh? Are they a good match? San Antonio, what do you guys think?
Oh, yeah.
You guys know what to do. Let's go. Beso, beso. Oh.
I did it again.
Yes.
Let's
Yes. Keep it going, motherfucking
Let's
Jacob.
go.
Yes. Yes. In your face. In your face. In your.
That was a good time. Let me read a few more of you guys' comments here. Top comment says, that comedian definitely saved him from the simp zone. Here's somebody else that says, I know that girl is heated. She lost her meal ticket. Yeah, that was a straight meal ticket. How are you getting taken out to a dude who you're already investing in properties in? You're not even married to this person. These chicks are on another level, man. Ruthless. And you're already over there having assets in your name on paper without marriage. Somebody else here says, if she's your best friend, she will understand. Here's somebody else who says, she's perfect. He thought she was perfect because he didn't shoot his shot. Had her on a pedestal she didn't belong on. You know, this situation right here, and this happens a lot, man. You have these chicks who will friend zone these guys when they're younger, and trust and believe he probably does know guys she's dated or maybe a person she's talked to. And after the cat is used and abused, they're ready to come down and now settle down and ready to be a wife. Of course, it's trauma, right? Maybe a couple of kids sprinkled in there, but you're going to be the guy that steps up. Unless if you drink coffee.